فأصمد قويا في
dan
نزاع
masih saling
Gua
bergeser
asumsi
antara
bom.
berjuang.
And still I urge you to struggle. Y aún te pido que sufras.
فأصمد قويا في
Dan
نزاع
masih saling
Gua
bergeser
asumsi
antara
bom.
berjuang.
And still I urge you to struggle. Y aún te pido que sufras.
Mimpi itu
The dream,
الحالمون
el sueño. La expectativa del americano.
Amerikanisches
Atsumanya
Ideal.
America.
jangkaan Amerika.
American ideal.
الحلم الأمريكي سلافات
Ancestors.
Ancestors.
Regierung.
The government.
Gobierno.
Government.
Kerajaan.
Being a straight white male in our society means something, especially in the age of Black Lives Matter, in the aftermath of the Orlando massacre, and during the racist undertones of the Donald Trump campaign.
In Amerika.
Being a straight white male in our society means something. The question is, what does it mean? In the eyes of some, the straight white male signifies the norm, the status quo, the American
Amerikanisches
ideal.
Ideal.
The straight white male signifies the oppressor, the occupier, in a system of governance that is both outdated and dangerous.
dich heraus.
In America, a woman's body seemed to belong to everybody but herself. In America, a woman's body seemed to belong to everybody but herself. Her sexuality belonged to her husband. Her opinion of herself belonged to her social circles, and her uterus belonged to the government. She was supposed to be a mother, a lover, a career woman at a fraction of the pay, while remaining perpetually youthful and slim. In America, important men were desirable. Important women had to be desirable. That got to me.
فأصمد قويا في نزاعك
And still, I urge you to struggle.
فأصمد قويا في نزاعك
Struggle for the memory of your ancestors. Struggle for wisdom. Struggle for the warmth of the Mecca. Struggle for your grandmother and grandfathers, for your name. But do not struggle for the dreamers. Hope for them. Pray for them if you are so moved. But do not pin your struggle on their conversion. The dreamers will have to learn to struggle for themselves, to understand that the field for their dream, the stage where they have painted themselves white, is the deathbed of us all.
فأصمد قويا في نزاعك.
And I saw that what divided me from the world was not anything intrinsic to us, but the actual injury done by people intent on naming us, intent on believing that what they have named us matters more than anything we could ever actually do. In America, the injury is not in being born with darker skin, with fuller lips, with a broader nose, but in everything that happens after.
La expectativa de
Americanisches Ideal.
Cainan
American Ideal.
Porizkova.
الحلم الأمريكي.
La expectativa de
Americanisches Ideal.
Cainan
American Ideal.
Porizkova.
الحلم الأمريكي.
Vorfahren.
Ancestors.
Der Traum.
Mimpi into
الحالمين.
el sueño.
فأصمد قويا في
dan
نزاعي
masih saya
Wah,
bergeser
langsung
agar
dia
For the difference.
فأصمد قويا في
dan
نزاعي
masih saya
Wah,
bergeser
For the
agar
difference.
I urge you to struggle.